morning, my dear friends. My name is Dr. Priyaranjan Trivedi. I am speaking from New Delhi on behalf of Priyaranjan Trivedi official YouTube channel. Today is 31st March, so let's know the importance and significance of 31st March. There are three reasons why we observe this day today. So that way, this day is very important. First reason is very simple. Today is the World Backup Day. You know the importance of backup. Whenever you have any computer or mobile or even any other information in the electronic media, feel like having a backup because anytime the software can fail, hardware can fail, and whatever data you have will be of no use. You can't retrieve them. That is why it is very important that we somehow do the backup. It should be a regular exercise. It should be almost a weekly or a daily exercise. Whatever you have, you have backup. Maybe in the other drive or in the other computer, all such important data must be restored as a backup so that you don't have to labor again for inventing that, writing that, and collecting such information. That is why it is a very important day. Other reason is that today is the International Anesthesia Technician Day. While the surgical operations, the role of anesthesia, is very important. The anesthetists have been qualified and they have a bachelor's and master's degree. They are MBBS, Bachelor of Surgery, Bachelor of Medicine. At the same time, they have a master's degree in anesthesia. That is why what type of dose is to be given for children, for adults, depending on the disease, so that you become out of senses and don't understand what is happening, because in surgery, a lot of pain, you will never feel that. So we have to remember the role of anesthesia, role of anesthetist, and then we have to promote this day, because without motivating them, very difficult. One simple mistake can take life of that person, a patient. So that is why. Third reason is that today is the International Transgender Day. Like men and women, there is a third category, the transgender. Society, they have no value. We have to ensure that there is a value and importance of transgenders also. They are also human beings. They have a right to live, right to study, right to practice, right to participate in politics, social work, everywhere. But they are not treated as human beings. They are loitering here and there and collecting some donation. And that way, finally it comes to beggary. In the families, if some transgender is bored, they throw them out. They should keep with them. What is wrong about it? They may not get married, it doesn't matter. But they can do all such work. There may be scientists, there may be doctors, engineers, lawyers, politicians, social workers, poets. So we have to remember their importance. So friends, these were the three important reasons why we observe 31st March. Tomorrow we'll discuss about the other day. So thank you very much for your time, and may peace prevail on this Mother Earth.